Sometimes unplanned things are best. I have never heard of this place. This place is exactly like that scenery of our old storybook. The sights, the sound, the smells were out of the world. The Caribbean Blue Waterfall, its glamorous passage at the foot of the mountain through a bubbles of spray. The peaceful boat ride and a beautiful weather. The wind, the smell, the food, everything is beautiful about this place. So, are you ready to blow your mind? Let me show you some beautiful places of Jabalpur. Dhuandhar Waterfall, also known as Smoke Cascade. The picturesque waterfall is located at Beda Ghat, 30 km away from Jabalpur. The mist created by water falling on hard rock creates visual of smoke emanating from the river bed. The waterfall looked like a wall of blue stain created with silver. If you ever go there, do not forget to click some good pictures of yours. Marble Rocks is an area along the Narmada River in Beda Ghat of Jabalpur district. The river has carved the soft marble, creating a beautiful gorge of about 8 km in length. It is said that the local marble is mined and carved into various figures and transported all over India. The area has many tourist activities. There is a rowboat for guided tours of river downstream of the falls. Do try the boat ride, you will surely love it. Bargi Dam is one of the beloved places that happens to be an earthen dam that was constructed over the river Narmada to serve a wide range of activities and manage the flow of the river to generate hydroelectricity. You can experience here the speedboat ride that is out of the world. Do not miss the speedboat ride if you ever visit this place. I am saying it again that sometimes unplanned things are best. It was a beautiful trip overall. I wish to come here again and explore these beautiful places for one more time. Hope you like this video. See you soon on the next video. Make sure to subscribe and keep traveling.